What up, y'all? I'm back with another hair video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing the lemonade braids with a heart. Yeah, it's been trending and my sister wanted it, so I tried it. There goes nothing. To do this part in box braids, but when I started it, I just had to go back to knotless braids. It's like when you start knotless braids, you can't go back to box braids. It was weird, but I'm stuck. I'm in it. I started braiding these straight, but I didn't like how they turned out, so I ended up curving it, and I like this one better. I also did the right side of the heart over because I just kept on staring at it and it wasn't sitting right with me. But this one looks far better than the first one. I'll just insert a picture here for you guys. This X design was inserted in a lot of hairstyles when I was in school, so I just had to add this into these lemon braids real quick. I added like 2 of them. I don't even have a commentary for this part, y'all. At this point, y'all should, if you're not new to this channel, you already know I can't do baby hairs or these little swoops. I just didn't want to pull on the edges. That's why I left this out, but
bruh.
Heart, 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 heart. I could need a thumbnail, but just right, wait. Smile. Wait. Heart. That's one. Wait. That's 2. Okay, actually I like this. This. And this. I got me. You like?
I don't like it. You got me to that.
Let's do it.
You gonna pay me?
If I was gonna pay you money, how much? Okay, so you do a hairstyle that takes forever. It's a long hairstyle and it's small. How much would you want somebody to pay you in order for you to loose that out and do a next hairstyle?
They have to pay me $1 million because one, I am very, 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 very slow. You see how long it takes me to do your hair?
We go eat now?
Yeah, girl.
I pick my poison next to you.
My heart looks like a heart. Yes, baby.
I should get this hairstyle for Valentine's Day.
I don't think it'll be trending then.
No, still. No, I mean because the heart there, not because it's trending.
Oh, we could do other hearts. I mean, other hairstyle with hearts.
That's not so weird. We could do other hearts. We could make other hearts. Look at Drake heart. You didn't laugh at my joke.
Girl, I'm really trying to concentrate on this heart. I ain't even on it. Keep your head stiff. Put it away from me slowly. Okay. You don't have to pull it like that. You put it so far. Yeah, but you put your head like so far back to the side. If you've reached this far in the video, I just want to tell you guys a big thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment because, you know, the feedbacks are important. I want to know y'all opinions. And, you know, don't forget to subscribe. You know, just click that little button that says subscribe.